Did you know 95% of your daily thoughts are controlled by your subconscious mind? And here's the shocking part. If you don't reprogram it, you're living on autopilot, repeating the same patterns, the same mistakes, every single day. Week 1 is about awareness. Every night before sleep, repeat 3 positive affirmations out loud. But imagine them as if they are already true. Your subconscious doesn't understand future or past. It only knows now. This is where you plant the seed. Week 2 is visualization. For just 5 minutes a day, close your eyes and see yourself living the life you want. Your brain fires the same neurons whether you're imagining or experiencing reality. And slowly, your subconscious rewires itself to believe it. Week 3 is alignment. Replace one old limiting habit with a new empowering one. Because habits are the language of the subconscious. Every time you choose growth over comfort, you're rewriting the program. In just 21 days, your subconscious can shift from holding you back to pulling you forward. The only question is, are you ready to reprogram your mind or keep running on autopilot?